Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do Bhramari breath, which is also known as humming bee breath. Bhramari means bee in Sanskrit. So we're going to do this breathing technique. The benefits of it are that it's very calming, it's very good to relieve tension and anxiety and stress, and can help reduce feelings of anger. It's also really good therapeutically to help with insomnia and sleep trouble. So you could do it before getting ready for bed as part of your night routine to help you go off to sleep. And because of its calming qualities, it's also excellent to do as a pranayama breathing exercise before meditation. So it can help you to calm the mind and settle the body ready to meditate. So we're going to do 5 rounds of the Bhramari breath, and then we'll pause and just reflect how we're feeling, and then I'll come back and speak a bit more. So find a comfortable position to be in to do this breathing exercise. Ideally, pranayama generally is done through the nose in yoga, but if you have a blockage in your nose or it's not feeling comfortable to do it through your nose, you could breathe through your mouth. So you breathe in, and then you would breathe out and allow the exhale to be a humming sound. So if you found a comfortable position, just allow your body to settle, whether you're sitting or lying down. And then decide whether you want to close your eyes or lower your gaze so that you're focusing on the inhales and the exhales. And then when you're ready to, on your next inhale, take the breath in as normal and then breathe out. So we've completed our 5 rounds of breath. If you were doing this on your own or another time, you could do maybe 7 to 9 rounds of breath on your own. But hopefully you now feel maybe perhaps there's a bit more space in the upper part of the chest. And the vibrations are very good at relaxing the vagus nerve. So it has a very calming effect on the body and helps to soothe nerves. So I hope that you enjoyed this little mini tutorial on Bhramari breath. If you give it a go and you have any comments about it, I'd love to hear about them in the comments down below. Namaste.